Or here at Moto World Libis, meron silang clearance sale, 70% off. So let's look around and see kung ano ba magandang deals kung meron na ba.
Kaya kinabukasan ng umaga yun. Maganda umaga. Alas 10.
Okay, thank you. Bukas na uli na basta ako kayo ay.
Okay, so we just came from Moto Market for their clearance sale. And what I can say is I can mark myself safe from any budol. I did not buy anything. Abi, dapat masaya ka. Wala akong ginastos. But there was a few very tempting ones. For one, the Dainese na gloves. Yung medyo gusto ko kasi yung mga high-vis eh. So meron sila nung high-vis na Aerox na gloves. But from 4.5 naging 3.1. So medyo mabigat pa rin kasi yung 3.1 to think I still have a few gloves that I haven't even used. No? So pero sayang ish. Pero 3,000 is still 3,000. Maybe if that was 50 off na sa mga 2,000 something, I think that would have been an easier decision. Yung jacket also, usually I would fit between a 54 and a 56. Ngayon I'm actually slimmer because of the weight loss that I've been doing for my competition. For some reason, their 54 na Air Tourer hindi man magkasya sa akin, and that was around I think 35%, mga 37% off eh. So maganda yung price eh. From 13,000 something naging 8,000 something eh. For a Dainese jacket, that's actually not a bad price. So I think you've seen naman, ang dami doon. The other jackets are 50%, some are even more. Yung mga gloves, yun nga lang, karamihan doon sa mga gloves na nakita ko is XL, double XL, or medyo kid size, kaya mas maliliit. Yung ibang mga Dainese na gloves doon parang pang bicycle eh, not for motorcycle eh, kaya ano. Meron din sila yung favorite ko na Dainese na long sleeve shirt, naka 50 off, pero meron ako eh. So I didn't bother with that. Yung isa naman na long sleeve ng Dainese na meron sila na color blue, maganda sana pero walang size, large lang meron, XL ako sa mga ganun. But the Shoei helmet, if you guys are actually in the market of a Shoei and you don't mind na hindi yung current model pero brand new pa rin, yung Neotech 2 nila 30% off. The Z8, the one that I have, is 30% off. Yung Z8 is probably one of my favorite helmets. O yun, no? Isipin nyo, 30% off. Okay lang naman ang previous model eh. Kasi kadalasan, if I'm not mistaken, when you count the number of years, ang helmet na lifespan is when kailan mo siya ni-expose sa araw, sa ganun. Hindi sa when it was manufactured. So, hindi naman siya ganung kaluma. It's probably like a 1 or 2 year old na model. So, hindi naman siya sobrang luma. But overall, marami kang mabibili if you're in the market for any protective gear. I would definitely go and check them out over buying no brands sa mga Lazada at saka mga Shopee. I think this is a much better one. Kumine, the Ixon, Rev-It, Macnan, the jacket that I was just reviewing, yan, lahat naka-sale. Dainese nga, di ba? I saw people buying mga branded jackets complete with back protector, yung iba. Nasa mga less than 5,000. If it's for safety reason, don't buy fake ones. Buy the real branded ones. Baka it might save your life. And narinig ko doon sa tao, well, but don't quote me but narinig ko doon sa tao, every morning they actually bring out new inventory. Hindi yan yung tipong kung ano na nakalabas today, yan na yun. Every morning daw maglalabas sila. Sabi pa ng tao, mga 10 o'clock nandito na kayo. So guys, narinig nyo yan, 10 o'clock punta na kayo, no? So guys, thank you very much. So once again, you've seen the mga videos of what's available here. I just had to cut the music kasi nagpa-play sila ng music eh. So makaka-copyright tayo kung iniwan natin yung actual sound eh. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. So once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.